to my channel. I hope everyone is having an absolutely amazing day. I am really excited. I have a new subscription to share with you guys. It is new to me, new to our channel, and I'm really excited to dive in here and see what we got. This is the beautiful package that it came in. The peacock feathers are absolutely gorgeous. This is the Guzel beauty subscription. It's a subscription for women, just a beauty subscription. That's what we do here most of the time. They do have a couple different options. They have the mini that is $10 a month. They have their monthly that is $25 a month. And then they do offer a quarterly box that is $49.95. It is all free shipping regardless of the tier that you choose. I went ahead and did the 3-month subscription, prepaid for the 3-month subscription on the mini, just to give it a try. I know I've said in videos before that I really do think 3 months is what it takes to kind of know if you're going to really like something. So when you can find deals, and you know, most of the time places, companies will offer, if you go ahead and do prepay, they offer you a little bit of a discount. So I went ahead and just prepaid for 3 months. So this is the first month. This is the September 2018 Guzel. I will make sure to link their website down below for you guys if you would like to sign up. Like I said, they do have the 3 different options: the mini, the monthly, or the quarterly. The mini is monthly as well, but the actual monthly box, you receive more items. So let's go ahead and dive in here and see what we got. I think the packaging is super cute. So let's see. Okay, first thing I pulled out is, it's like a little perfume sample from American Eagle. It has his and hers, so that's interesting. Now we have like a letter. So let's see. And it also has a like a peacock type feather. If I can get it open. Oh, there we go. All right, let's see. It says, our inserts for this month arrived incorrect. We did not want to delay shipping, so we printed these instead. Sorry for the inconvenience, and we hope you enjoy all the great items. September 2018 Guzel. So, and I do have some reservations. That's why when I found the mini, I decided to go with that, because I've heard mixed things, but we're gonna see. So we got the one little sample of the perfume, his and hers, and here it looks like we have a sample of the Nexus Carafix Damage Healing Shampoo and Conditioner. Not a huge fan of foil packets, but I digress. And then we got from Manicador, I'm assuming it's a little lip gloss in the color Sienna. So that's pretty. That's a very pretty, it's a beautiful fall color. And then we got, oh, I'm actually excited about this. This is by Crown. This is the Volumizing Mascara. I love their brushes. I love their brushes, and I love the Crown palette we got in, I think it was our July BoxyCharm. So I'm super excited to get a full-size Crown mascara. And it looks like one more thing. Ooh, and I love these. It is the Spongel. And this is Papaya Yuzu. Cleanse, exfoliate, massage, nourish with extracts of yuzu. Body wash infused buffer, 5+ uses. oh, it smells good. I definitely, with the papaya, I kind of feel like I'm picking up that like tropical. Oh, it smells really good. So we did, okay, so we got a couple little samples with the shampoo, conditioner, and then the little perfume. But the full-size Crown mascara, the Spongel, and let me give you guys a better look of that. I didn't do that. I apologize. And the Manna Kadar lip gloss, which like I said is a perfect fall color. I'm actually happy with it. Like I said, I've heard mixed things. I mean, for $10, and it actually was less than that. They have codes floating around. I could not find the code that I used, but I ended up only paying $27 for 3 months. So it was $9 a month. So, I mean, I think I got my money's worth, because I'm pretty sure that just this alone, this Crown volumizing mascara is worth more than $9. And I do know that the larger Spongels are like $16. So I would imagine that this one is probably at least maybe in the $8 to $10 range. So, I mean, I think it's a good, those are good items for the price. So I'm very happy with it, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have not already, please do subscribe and join our wonderful YouTube family. We'd love to have you. Otherwise, I will talk with you guys at the next video. Bye.